Jan Stefani is a well-known singer from America who is also a songwriter and is co-founder of the band called No Doubt. She has released many albums with No Doubt and has also released albums as a solo artist. Stefani has won many awards in her career. She is best known for the popular singles Hollowback Girl, Rich Girl, What You Waiting For, Hi Baby, Do Not Speak, and Just a Girl. Jan Rani Stefani was born on October 3, 1969 in Fullerton, California to her parents Janice Stefani and Patty Stefani. She started her career at a very young age. Personal life. In 2002, Janice Stefani got married to Gavin Rossdale. The couple has 3 sons named James McGroger, Apollo Bowie Flynn, and Zuma Nesta Rock Rosedale. They divorced in 2016. She was previously in a relationship with Tony Kanal. She is currently dating Blake Shelton. Stefani is known to have a mezzo-soprano voice. In the 1990s, she used to wear the Indian bindi. In 2011, she donated $1 million to the Japan Earthquake Tsunami Children in Emergency Fund. She has also done various other philanthropic works. Age, height and weight. Being born on 3 October 1969, Janice Stefani is 52 years old as of today's date 11th October 2021. Her height is 1.70 meter tall and her weight is 55 kg in kilograms. Career. In 1986, Janice Stefani formed the band No Doubt and became its lead vocalist. In 1992, the band released its Upon Muse debut album. This was followed by releasing the album The Bacon Street Collection. Their first #1 album called Target Kingdom became available from October 1995. It went on to become a demand album. No Doubt released Return of Saturn in 2000. A year later, they released Rock Steady. Their last studio album, Push and Shove, was released in 2012. They have also released 5 compilation albums, including the singles 1992 and 2003. Award and achievements. In 2005, Janice Stefani won the American Music Award. She is the winner of 5 ASCAP Pop Music Awards, 4 BMI Music Awards, 2 Billboard Music Awards, 3 California Music Awards, and 2 Glamour Woman of the Year awards. She has won 3 Grammy Awards out of 19 nominations. She has also received 4 MTV Video Music Awards out of 12 nominations and has won 2 My VHI Music Awards. In 2008, Stephanie won the People's Choice Awards. Net worth and salary of Jenny Stephanie in 2021. As of October 2021, Gwen Stefani has an estimated net worth of more than $170 million. She accumulated this fortune by releasing some hit singles and albums. She has released many platinum albums and has also released many commercially successful albums with no debut. She has sold over 30 million albums across the world. Part of her wealth also comes by appearing in TV shows and films like Saturday Night Live, The Avatar, and The Voice. She has lent her voice in Malice and Trolls. Gwen Stefani is considered one of the most popular singers in the world. She found considerable success after forming the band No Doubt. She also received wider fame by releasing albums as a solo artist. Jenny Stephanie has also done many tours in her career and has launched her own fashion line called LAMB.